friends, a very quick tutorial on how you can create beautiful dashboards for your planner or for your shop. If you are a seller, this tutorial is very easy. All you need to do is first click on create a planner, create a new planner, and then next go to pattern and then select fixed colors. And then you'll see different kinds of patterns listed down here below. So let me show you. Let's, for example, select this one right here. Then right now it is shown as an outline, and to display it full, click up here and select full. Okay. And then to remove the widget boxes, click on edit layout, this button right here. Click so it's set to on, and then you can delete these widget boxes one by one, like this. Now this template size is in the B6 size. You can go to the sizing menu and then you can choose your correct planner size. So you can of course create them in the US letter size. So just search for US letter page like this. So right now you see both pages, but this is how the left side would look like and this is how the right side would look like. Both are the same. If you want them to be smaller, for example, only A5 size, just look for A5, select A5, and it will automatically resize it for you. Now quickly back to the patterns. Before I've showed you that there are fixed colors. They're called fixed colors because you cannot change the colors of these patterns. However, if you go to custom, you will find the patterns where you can change the colors. So right now I switch to custom, and these patterns here are SVG patterns, or patterns where the colors can be customized. So right now I have a color combination of gray and brown, but maybe let's choose something more exciting, maybe this rose color right here. You can further change the color up here under outline. You can choose a new color. And by the way, the color selector, this selector right here, is very different on every device. To get this exact color selector, you would need to be on MacBook and in the Firefox browser. So back to the color, select a color you like. And then you can go back to pattern, and then you see the patterns here have changed to the colors you have selected up here. And then here we have hearts, we have, let me quickly see, we have animal prints, like these ones. Then we also have dots, bigger dots, smaller dots, we have lines. Something like this, or we also have geometric. We really have a ton of different kinds of patterns you can experiment with. So once you have a pattern selected, for example this one here, and you want to export it, just go to Save Export. Make sure that this size is in the correct size, the A5 size, or if your planner is in the personal size, then select personal size. Go to Save Export, Export Paper, select the very first menu, and then click on Generate PDF. Okay, it has finished generating the PDF file. Let's click to download the PDF. And now you will get two sets of patterns. Each one of them is in the A5 size, or in the size you have chosen here. This one's in the A5 size, and then you can print them front and back, and you will have patterns both on the front and back side of the paper. Or if you only want to print the front page of the paper, just print out page 1. As mentioned, everything on Planify Pro can be used commercially, so if you are planning on selling dashboards, which is patterns like this one for example here, then you can do that as well. You can also sell all the patterns you have here under the fixed colors. For example, this one here, feel free to just apply the pattern, have the correct size selected, and then export it, and then feel free to add it to your shop and sell it to your customer. If you have any questions, feel free to always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!